Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to study about preposition of time. Now, we use words like at, in, and on to show when something happens, like to show when the something is happening, to show the time of happening of any event. Understood? We use at, in, and on to show when some event is happening, to show the happening of that event or the occurrence of the event. Understood? So preposition of time is used to tell when any event or when anything happened, to show the occurrence of the event. Now, at, we use at to show a time of day, to show the time of day. For example, at 5 o'clock or at lunch, at night, so or at 10 o'clock in the morning. We use at for the time, in any in any time of a day, to show the timing of in any part of the day. In, we use for month, season, year, or part of the day, like in evening, in morning, in night. So for the part of the day we use in, for month, for season, for years we use in. At, we use for the time of the day, time 5 o'clock, at 5 o'clock, at 6 o'clock, at 7 o'clock, we use at. In, for the days or for the month or for the season. And on is for a date, and on we use for dates or for a day, for like on a Monday, on Sunday, on Tuesday, on Thursday. On, we use for days, and for date, like on 13th of December, on 14th of December, on 3rd of December. Understood? Clear, students? Where we use in, at, and on. On, we use for days. And now there's an exercise which is given on your next page, that is exercise number C. You have to fill in the blanks by using preposition of time. In 2017 we went to Darjeeling on Christmas. This time we were going to Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the winter vacation. We will be going on 15th December. The taxi will arrive at 7:30 in the morning to take us to the Delhi airport. Our flight is at 10 o'clock. We will fly to Chennai and from there take a connecting flight to Port Blair. In the evening, we will finally reach the hotel in Port Blair at night. Clear? And the next exercise you will do as homework. Thank you and have a nice day.